Amo ang tour guide. 2 kids. Yay! We got mackerel! Nabugat good siya. Yan, doon na naman kami. Gabi. What is that? It looks like eel. Because his target is... What is that? Oh, look! They're jumping high. Good morning, sunshine. Mainit ang panahon. Wow, ganito yung view nila dito. Tingnan natin sa labas. Wow, simple but cozy, comfortable, nice view. Ayan. It's sunny day. Dito kami natulog. So, yan. Ayan. Mga neighbors, magkakalapit. Every day, ganito yung view. It's a good vacation area. May matatayog na mountains. So relaxing, peaceful. Hindi maingay. Fishing tayo mamaya dyan. It's another day. And hello! Mag-picnic mi sa lake. Yeah. This is their source of water daw. Amo ang tour guide. Una na siya dito. Na siya 2 kids. I-tour mi sa inyo hang pinakanindot na ano.
Nindot kayo siya, oh.
Pasaka, nasa pero dito yata banda. Kung gusto mo ato at mga marag bukid na katatak, ano ba trekking ba?
Oh.
Saka mo.
Dili ba sa
Hindi pa.
Siguro ba? Nahok niya niya.
Oh, ang ganda ng place. So, dito kami sa lake. Ayan. Well-protected lake. Ang daming trout dito. Ayan. Look at the background. Oh. Ano siya? Nice ang view. Ayan. Picnic po ni Dari Gamay. Ice cream! Meron siya lang dito tambayan. Ayan. It's a hot sunny day, yes. Yay! We got mackerel! Ako nakuha na? Ikaw lang nagano? Oh, nanakay mackerel.
Kita got the biggest mackerel.
Mama's wishes mackerel. Ah, wala na. Nabugat good siya. Siya lang ni Girlis, kaya bugat na siya. Fishing time kami.
Bubuot ka ng pinakadulo niya na ano.
Fishing time. Dito kami, malaki. Naka makahalibot tayo, naka 1 mackerel namin. And there's lots of pollock. And Karen and the kids. Nice view. So move na naman tayo. Another fishing fishing spot. Ayan. Ayan din sila. Kailangan nila ng sakyan kasi may mga bata. Yan, doon na naman kami. Look, ano nakita ko. Dito lang sila gagala-gala. Nice. Very big. Hi! Duulan na to na B. Diyan lang sila, oh. Pang isa, oh. Diba? The other one. Yan lang, oh. Gagala-gala. Dali ka na ay good view. Come. Gabi. Because his target is... What is that? Hollywood! His target is Hollywood, but I don't know.
It's a cod.
It's a cod. A small cod. I thought it's Hollywood, but it's...
There's a cod.
Seaweeds. Seaweeds. It looks like Hollywood.
Halibut.
Okay.
What is that?
What's it called?
What is that?
Pareho?
Be, tanaw ko be. Ooh. It looks like eel.
Yeah.
Kuha na to ne?
Dili. Ha?
Pwede?
Pwede ne?
Sugba. There's a whale. Whale? Is it a whale? I don't know. A dolphin. They're playing. They're playing. Yeah.
You can just see the fins.
Whoa, they're playing. Are they dolphins?
Yeah.
Here, please. Oh. Maybe later they will jump high. Huh? Feeding? Oh, look, they're jumping high. No? Are they friendly? Giveaway.
Nice.
It's for you. Fry it. Make a soup. Enjoy your dinner. Let me see. This is what we got. Yan. Uwi na kami kay kakain. Next na po ng halibut. Ang ganda talaga ng ano mo, ng view. No? Sulit lang. Pasensya mga friends. Tanaw na mo inyong working place. Mga nurses. Yan. Everyday view like this. It's nice weather. It's hot. Nalingaw rami. Dami nakuha na makarel. Karon, let's go grilling. Sa manay mo hang ano,
Grabe ka peaceful.
super, very peaceful. I think,
Kung ako na
wala
dire,
lang.
permente ako sa dagat.
Oh,
Taga-adla siya.
paanohan lang na siya, pa-adapt lang. Look at that, ano, oh, grabe, oh. The mountain, oh, sa taas. So, this is their city, municipality. Ayan. Sulit lang yung punta namin. Thanks for the invitation. Ayan. And let's go home. Lipat na rin kami dito. Oh, ayan. Wala na amo ang nadakpan. Grill ta karon. Nice ilahang balcony, oh. Tapos tutok ang sun. Concentration. Hi. 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 It's ready. It's already 10 in the evening. Pero yung sun nandyan pa. They call it midnight sun. Kalma, oh. Thank you. Uli na mi. Dali ka sali ka diri. Itagra ta mo ani ha. Oh, sige, salamat kayo. Tingnan kayo lahang pwesto diri. Ana, oh. View. Alis na kami from Oxford. Oxfjord.